Welcome to our tutorial on how to find all group members on Telegram. If you're looking to easily access the list of members in a group, follow these simple steps. First, open the Telegram app on your Android device. Once you're in the app, navigate to the group that you want to find the members of. Next, tap on the group name at the top of the screen. This will bring up the group info page, where you can access various settings and information about the group. Now, scroll down on the group info page until you find the section labeled Members. Here, you will see a list of all the members in the group, including their usernames and profile pictures. And that's it. By following these easy steps, you can quickly find all the members in any Telegram group. Whether you're looking to connect with other members or just want to see who's in the group, this method makes it simple and convenient. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips and tricks on using Telegram.